Can you really get away with just one pair of shoes on an Alaskan cruise? My wife and I did, and this is it. The Brooks Ghost 16 GTX, men's and women's waterproof shoe. It looked and performed well both on and off the ship. Key considerations in picking the perfect pair: comfort and support. Choose a shoe that can handle walking and standing for extended periods. These shoes performed well on the nature and beach trails in icy Strait Point, the paved paths in Skagway, and were comfortable as my wife shopped and we stood in lines. Water resistance. Look for shoes with waterproof or water-resistant features to handle rain and potential splashes. These shoes kept our feet dry during rainy days in Sitka and icy Strait Point. Versatility. Shoes that can transition from casual settings to more active excursions are ideal. We wore these shoes in the casino and in the dining room such as Cagney Steakhouse, La Cocina, and the Manhattan Room aboard the Norwegian Joy, as well as on trails and in rainy weather as mentioned earlier. Gore-Tex Invisible Fit is bonded directly to the upper for a light, flexible fit that provides breathable, waterproof protection. Soft nitrogen-infused cushioning delivers lightweight and durable comfort. The outsole provides firm grip for great traction on paved and unpaved paths, in dry and wet surfaces. Save luggage space for more Alaska souvenirs by packing just one pair of shoes.